Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Hope you're doing great. So join me. I am cleaning my kitchen. So I'm going to be showing you how I clean my kitchen from the start to the end. I'm going to clean the whole kitchen, the cabinet, the floor, the marbles, the fridge, the gas. I'm just going to clean the entire place. Though is something I usually do all the time. You can see that everywhere is still sparkling clean, but I still want to clean it because of dust. You know that we're in Harmattan period and everywhere is dusty. So that's the reason, and I'm going to be doing that right away. Join me. Make sure you watch this video to the end and see how I transformed the entire kitchen. Everywhere was sparkling clean, guys. So if you're new here, thank you for joining this beautiful family. I'm glad you're here. God bless you. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please try and do so you get notified each time I put out a video. All right, let's continue our cleaning. So guys, please anytime you come across my videos, help me share and please
Keep
drop your
watching.
comments.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.